Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
He's coming straight up. He'll go in the bus lane. There's nothing you can do, nowhere you can go. If he had any sense, he'd go in the bus lane. It's not flashing, that's what they do. Just sit behind this car. Now go on then, pull to the left. Oh, where the fuck he thinks we'll let go? He could have come all the way up there, couldn't he? Oh, wanker. Yeah, and now you've got to indicate to get back over the right. What a twat, why the fucking bus lane? Yeah. Yeah, it's indicating, shift your ass over. Yeah, what a wanker. Yeah.
Don't forget, every squirrel has a tail. You're right. You just caught me up, mate. You okay? You are. What a brat you are. What an absolute fucking weasel you are, and it. It's a car. It's a van. You fucking weasel. Yeah.
If you want to access the unique shooting quality and many features of the VIOFO, all you have to do is find the products in the description section and get them at a discount with the codes provided to you by Dashflix.
Whoa! Are you even fucking looking? Stupid bitch. She's just pulled straight up there and then
acted like I was on the wrong.
Like you were in the wrong. It's your right of way because there's no junction on that road. What the fuck? What a fucking wanker. I hope she fucking stops at Waitrose.
Yeah.
I hope she fucking stops at Waitrose.
bit of Home video.
Oh, you have as well.
Cutting edge music on BBC Radio 2.
She don't look perfect. I hope she fucking stops at Waitrose. Just stay back in case she rolls back. Stop it here. Oh, I bet she is as well.
I'm not too sure what happened. It just fell off. Sometimes it's best not to look too close.
Bet she is as well.
Don't ask too many questions. 88291 sent me the last text
I've had
that you
someone
received.
on this
I'm
hill
delighted,
stop
to
right
say,
behind me
very happy
before,
to say,
and you
I'm
just think to
excited
yourself,
say that Boyd
that's a
Hilton
little bit
magazine
stupid,
is here
because
with me in the studio.
you could
I'm
so
excited to be here. Well, we used to share
easily
that, but it's a lot more than 5 live.
roll
People must have missed us a lot.
back, even if it's like a foot down that hill. I bet she's shitting herself now.
Yeah, some horrible people. Haters gonna hate.
Haters gonna hate. What can you do?
Yeah.
What can you do? I mean, I open whenever I fill in for the excellent Simon Mayo on Drive Time. I open with the theme tune to Fraggle Rock.
Yeah.
And the whole audience.
That's brilliant. There is no junction on that hill. You've got right away. She pulled right out of there. She didn't even look. Oh, what a shame. Yeah, go on, fuck off.
Right, YouTube, this is just a quickie. This isn't part of the routine. I do apologise about the phone shaking. It's the road. It's not the best road in the world.
Out, mate. Really?
This knobhead here. I mean, seriously, you can't. That left turn, you could have seen me from there after I'd come past the lorry.
Oh, Andy's on his fucking phone now.
Even that pedestrian.
And he can't have stopped over there, could he?
Like, I'm sorry, but
he's going to make that car go back.
excuse
as well,
my French, but just.
Good boy. Hold your fucking ground.
Right.
Well done. He could have stopped there as well.
Heard, but he
Volkswagen wouldn't move over for him. Good boy.
And that car,
Hold your ground.
Volkswagen actually stood his ground.
Fucking bully.
Too right. See you guys in the next video.